Hi. So I told you in the previous video, I had some problems downloading to YouTube. For some reason, the school district put up a firewall and the computers aren't allowed to use YouTube anymore, which means that unless they fix it, I'm going to have problems downloading videos for you. So I brought all my gear home and I printed out some new pages here at home. They look a little different than your practice book, than your reader's notebook, I should call it, pages. So we're going to go ahead and do our spelling word sort. This is very challenging. So please watch really carefully. And I'm going to screen share my paper so you can see it. And we'll try to sound out the words we're going to use. We're going to talk it through. Okay. So you're already recognizing that my paper looks a little bit different. There are no lines on it when you print it out. I don't know why, but there aren't any lines. So I'm going to go ahead and write my name at the top. We have two different ways that we're sorting words. We're going to sort words that have the vowel stressed, and then the rest of the word isn't stressed very hard. And then we're going to sort where we almost say the whole word, almost the whole word gets stressed. And I'll try to sound it out so you can hear the difference in the syllables, okay? So our first word is poster. When I say poster, I say poster, poster. I'm almost saying the whole word, poster. So I'm saying the vowel and the consonant, and then you can hear the on the end. That's the E. That's the vowel. You hardly hear it at all. Poster. So I'm going to put poster over here. And I'm going to show where I'm stressing, where the syllables break. Poster. All right. Next word is secret. Secret is different. Listen as I say secret, secret. I'm hearing that first vowel, the E, on secret. And then I'm hearing cret at the end. So secret is going to go over here, C, and then cret. Weather, weather. Weather, I'm hearing the whole, I'm hearing weth and Author, author, author. I'm hearing awe. And I guess you're looking at, there's two vowels here. So I guess we're looking at the U. So I would say author goes up here. Author, author. Rocket. I'm hearing rock, 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 rocket, rocket. Bushel, bushel. I'm hearing bush first, B-U-S-H, and then I'm hearing L. So that means I'm hearing the vowel, consonant, consonant, and then I hear that final L right at, or the final vowel right at the end. Agree, agree. I'm totally just hearing the first vowel, right? Agree. Bucket, I'm hearing buck, bucket, bucket. So I would put that one down here. Ticket, same thing. Tick, ticket, tick. I hear tick first, ticket. I don't say it ticket, ticket. I say it ticket. So the tick is gets the primary initial sound. Declare, declare, declare. I think that's up here. Declare. Chicken down here. Chick, chicken, chicken. Chick. N. Clothing, clothing, clothing. That one goes down here. Clothe. And then we hear the ing, which is, there's the vowel right there, right? Apron. Apron is like agree. A-pron. You don't say it apron. Apron. I'm putting on my apron. You say apron. Okay, whiskers, whisk, and then ers. This is very confusing with no lines. Whisk, and then ers. All right, degree. Degree is like agree, right? Degree. Gather. I'm hearing gath and then Gath and then Achieve. That would go up above because achieve. So I'm just hearing the at the beginning. Achieve. I would like to achieve something. Achieve. Right here, rather, it goes down below. Rather. Bracket also goes down here. Brack. Et. Machine. Machine goes up above. Machine. Okay. Whew. Now we're going to do the challenge words. Regret goes up here. Regret. So here's the vowel. Here's the consonant, consonant, vowel. Nephew, nephew, I think would go down here. Nephew. Method, method, I think goes down here. Meth. Vowel, consonant, consonant, and then we get the vowel with ud. Decline goes up above. Decline. Vibrate goes up above. Vibrate. Okay. So this just shows you, if you're counting syllables, they're basically showing you that there's two different ways to count syllables with these VCCV words. One way is author. Aw would be the first syllable. Thor would be the last. Author. If you were doing post, you would say post first and then at the end. So they're just showing you that. Let's make sure, since I don't have any boxes or lines, that I got all 25. So I'm going to recount them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Woohoo! Okay. So you should have 11 up here, and then you should have all the rest down below. Okay. So hopefully you learned that when we have VCCV words, if you have, well, there's different ways to split the syllables in the words. And there's two different ways in this particular set of words. All right. And that just changes how we pronounce them, right? I don't call it a machine. I call it a machine, right? Sheen goes all together. I don't break up the sheen. It's not mashine, right? So it does make a difference where you separate words, where the syllables separate. It changes how you pronounce them. All right, so I hope that this helped you. I know that this is really tricky. It's even tricky for me. I have to say the words out loud, um, so that I know that I'm putting them in the right categories. So it is very challenging. So hopefully this video helped you to understand the difference between the two categories a little bit better. All right. Thank you for joining me.